Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming Fabric Loader matches your Minecraft version and installing Fabric API. Once done, drop the cloth config jar into the mods folder alongside any dependent mods. You should back up your world and save a copy of the current mods folder before launching. This prevents conflicts. Launch Minecraft once to generate config folders. Make sure to note mod versions and loader logs. They'll help diagnose issues later. You access Cloth Config through the mod options or an in-game config GUI. Once opened, navigate categories to find settings quickly. Change values to the desired numbers or toggles, and use collapse and expand controls to keep related options organized. After editing, hit Save. Some mods prompt to restart or reload for changes to apply. If a setting accepts numeric ranges, enter precise values rather than guessing, because that prevents unintended behavior and keeps stability. You finish by restarting Minecraft to ensure persistent changes are applied, then immediately test the parts of your world affected by those settings to confirm behavior. If things work, document the final configuration value locations so you can reproduce them later. If problems arise, revert to your backup, remove recently added mods, and inspect log files for stack traces. One key troubleshooting tip: disable mods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.